Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I want to help you fix your channeling issues. So if your shot is looking something like this, where your portafilter is just spraying coffee all over the place and making a big mess, I want to try and help you get it looking more like a smooth and slow stream of honey, something looking more like this. So throughout this video I'm gonna tell you the 3 most important things to achieve this and a few lesser known tips, so make sure to watch the whole video. Okay, so to do this, you're gonna need a few things and tools, but most importantly, it's gonna be a fresh bag or can of coffee. You're gonna need a scale. Scale is a must because you're gonna need to weigh out your shot every time down to the milligram. And the needle distribution tool to distribute your coffee evenly in your portafilter. So these 3 are the most important, and the rest are kind of optional, like a puck screen or the coffee distributing tool. They do help, but you can also do it without. Okay, so the portafilter that comes with the Barista Express is a 54mm portafilter and requires 18 grams of coffee, while the bottomless portafilters that are suitable for these machines generally have deeper baskets and require 20.5 grams of coffee. And if you're using any of the DeLonghi cheaper machines, you're gonna need 16.5 grams of coffee, as they use 51mm portafilters. Next, here's a quick little lesser known tip. Always wash and then wipe your portafilter with a dry towel before you use it. The residues and oils can affect the flow of water through the puck, leading to inconsistent extraction. Then, as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna weigh out exactly 20.5 grams of coffee. And I'm gonna set up my grinder to what I usually set it up for the specific coffee beans and coffee roast, or maybe just one setting finer. I feel like the bottomless portafilters sometimes require just one setting finer. Obviously you're gonna have to use some type of funnel, otherwise you're gonna have a very difficult time evenly distributing the coffee grounds in the portafilter. You're gonna give it a quick tap and then use your needle distribution tool to evenly distribute the ground coffee in your portafilter. I'm gonna leave Amazon links down in the description so you can easily find all these tools and accessories. These next 2 are kind of optional. You can use them if you'd like, but you can pull just as good of a shot without them. This is the coffee distributing tool, so you can just spin it around, then tamp your coffee, and finally you can use a puck screen. This further helps with the water distribution and extraction, so if you want to play it extra safe, you can. Another lesser known tip, before pulling a shot, always flush your group head. As you can see, this cleans up any leftover residue and helps further with a more even extraction. Next tip I have is be careful when inserting the portafilter into the group head. Avoid heating it because it can disturb the ground coffee inside and mess up your whole hard work you just did. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Make sure to like this because it helps me tremendously. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and I try and answer every one of you. Until next time, peace.